Hello everyone. On this video I'm going to take you through all the sounds we use when we speak English. In each case I will model the sound for you and then put the sound into a familiar word as an example. You will see a close-up of my face as I make each sound. So watch my mouth carefully to see how each sound is formed. Before we start, make sure you have read through the Introduction to English Sounds workout sheets that go with this video. Are you ready? This is a section of the phonemic chart, and here we have the 12 vowels. And I'm going to try and help you remember how to say these sounds with certain actions. Let's look at the first sound. E. E. Me, 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 me. Eh. Eh. In. Oh. Oh. Look. Ooh. Ooh. Shoo. Eh. Eh. 10. Turn. Turn. Or. Or. Saw. Ah. Ah. Hat. Up. Up. Ah. Ah. Arm. Ah. Ah. On. Notice that this chart has 3 sections. This is the first section, then we have a middle section, and then we have the last section down here. Now, in each section, the mouth changes position. In the top section, the mouth is quite narrow. In the middle section, the mouth has become a little bigger. And in the bottom section, the mouth is quite big and round. Let me demonstrate. Watch my mouth. E, E, A. Again. E, E, A. Also, the sounds are coming from a different part of the mouth. In the first section, the sounds are coming from the front of the mouth. In the middle section, the sounds are coming from the middle of the mouth. And in the third section, the sounds are coming from the back of the mouth. Listen and then try after. E, A. Try it with the sounds coming from the different positions. Front, middle, back. Again. E, A. Now listen. I, A. And again. Say it after me. I, A. U, A. And again. U, A. Ooh. O. And again. Ooh. O.
Now let's review what we've learned about the vowel sounds.
Now I will run through all the sounds again. Pay particular attention to the position of my mouth. Under the sound and its word, you will see the mouth position for the sound. For example, for E, the mouth position is narrow. E. Under that, you will see which part of the mouth the sound comes from. For example, for E, the sound comes from the front of the mouth. E, me. E, 10. A, hat. I, in. Up. Look. Turn. Arm. Ooh, shoe. Or, saw. On.